If you are watching this video we have a working smart online webinar that is about to start. Our engaging webinar is just 20 minutes and filled with powerful info. After today's 20-minute webinar, you will have the opportunity to get more in-depth free hands-on training, plus you will have an amazing offer to get 5 niche WordPress websites with premium WordPress software for $4 each website store for a 90-day trial. Click the blue button and learn how to earn the right way online. If you are tired of chasing shiny objects and wasting your time with snake oil and gimmicks, our webinar will teach you how to use the right method, tools and software to work less and earn more. Taught by Robert Farrell, online software teacher and marketer since 1995, come and benefit from Robert's 25 years of working smart experience. Robert will showcase his current students and share with you how they earn online by not selling. Click the blue button and let's learn to earn online the right way. Cheers!